Are you interested in learning how to generate money online? I'll teach you how to do it if you simply follow these simple directions. The first step is to play the video. Step 2 is to watch it for at least 10 seconds before cashing out your earnings and paying your charge. So right now, I'd like you to take a look at all of these videos that can help you make a lot of money online right here on your phone. Consider this if you're wondering how much money you can make from viewing videos. You may easily earn $40 if you watch for an hour. You can make $80 if you watch for 2 hours, and $120 if you watch for 3 hours. You may do this as many times as you like, and the best part is that it's absolutely free, so you won't have to pay anything to get started. And yes, it's available worldwide. To get started, all you need is a smartphone or a computer, and you can literally start earning money right now. So in this short video, I'll teach you how to sign up for a free account and give you some helpful recommendations. I'll also show you which videos will play you the most money, as well as a live example of how to do it on this video, so you can see me do it step by step. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. So first and foremost, let me introduce you to Swingbox.com, a brand new website. As you can see on this amazing website, you may get paid every 15 seconds, and there are a variety of videos and channels to watch to make money online, with their earning potential being endless. I'll show you how to view a very basic video like this one that will pay after this ad in a bit. I'll show you how to repeatedly watch this 10-second advertisement and watch the video to make money. That's how all of these men make a lot of money on this website every day. Also, this is critical. You can earn money for free on this website in a variety of ways. To begin, you can view advertisements and make money online. Second, you can earn money by clicking on the clicks grid. This is a really clever method, and towards the end of the video, I'll show you something extra, so stick around. Today's focus, however, is solely on watching videos. As you can see, you can earn money just watching videos. So for the time being, I just want to remind you to watch the complete video so you can grasp everything and begin making money online. So for step 1, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Swingbox for free, and I want you to go ahead and click this register button right here, which will take you to the registration page. As you can see, you can now register on your computer or on your phone. Simply provide your full name, username, password, and password confirmation. As well as your email address for the general information. Oh, and there's also the second element, which is the payment account. Once you've logged into your PayPal account, simply input your payment details, such as your PayPal email address, in this box to receive your money in perfect or impaired condition. Once you log into your PayPal account, you can also be paid using additional payment options. So once you've finished everything else, you'll need to finish the picture verification and enter whatever you see in this box. Now all I have to do is click on this one right here, agree to the rules, and then click the register button. Now it's time for the second step. Once you've logged in, you'll see a choice of adverts and videos that you may watch to make money online. As you can see, there are a lot of different companies on this website right now, which means you have a lot of different alternatives for daily advertisements to look at. As a result, you'll find a variety of firms here that provide you with fresh new video ads that you may watch to earn money online. However, the most common issue that novices face is not knowing which firm or video ad to watch and focus on in order to make the most money. For those of you who are still watching, the first extra advice I provide for you is to focus on micro advertisements. I want you to focus on this category since you can earn money online by simply watching 10-second videos. As you can see, they'll switch to a normal video after 10 seconds of the video ad playing. So now all you have to do is keep watching and waiting for the next video advertisement to arrive. Then after another 10 seconds, you'll be able to make a substantial sum of money. So now I'd like to offer you a bonus tip. As you can see, you can truly turn off the volume of your video. Simply click on this one to mute the video and turn off the volume, and you may then let the video play in the background while you do other things. You can do the rest of your work in a different browser. As a result, this is a very effective approach for watching numerous videos at the same time. So, if you have a computer or a phone, you can open many browsers on different devices, and the more videos you watch, the more chances you have of seeing video advertising, and you might potentially make money while watching the video for 10 seconds. You'll notice that anytime you watch a video, there's always one video ad in front of it that guarantees you a lot of money after you finish watching the entire advertisement. When the video begins, you may notice 2, 3, or even 4 video advertisements in one film. I'm going to tell you another additional step, this time about how you can make a lot of money with just one video. As you can see, you have a chance to win up to $5 every time you click on these small little boxes right here. Now you just have to choose whatever random box you wish to click. Take for example this box, which as you can see opens up a random website. You only need to stay on this page for 10 seconds to avoid having to do anything else. So if you're lucky enough, you might be able to make $5. As you can see, playing Swing Grid Clones is quite simple. Simply click anywhere on the image to obtain any of the boxes you desire, and you might earn up to $5 in your account balance. Each click will take you to a sponsor's website, which you must view for up to 10 seconds, similar to what I've just shown you. For example, if you click on this box right now, you'll be taken to a random website as shown here. So if you just sit there for 10 seconds and do nothing, you could win $5. As a result, you'll notice that clicks will be reset every day after 12 a.m. and the midnight server time will be reset every day after all. All of these boxes will refresh now, and you can click on them again. So there's a new method to make money using Swingbox. So once again, that's how all of these people from all around the world make real money simply by watching videos. And you can do the same by following all of the steps I outlined in this video. And that's all there is to it. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring the notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.